Support us by subscribing, ring the notification bell, press all, and thumbs up.
What was that?
What does it do if it loses length?
For what? Sorry?
If it loses length, like between
it's auto program to.
Do you have my white cable? That's crazy.
I'm slowly just acquiring all your things, so.
It just looks like a big bug.
I don't know that, probably what that bird is.
So right there. They say it didn't hear anything last time, so I'm gonna get closer. I'm literally on top of them, nobody's looking. Let me see if they're sending a little bit. Maybe calls your attention. Lower.
It's good stuff.
There won't be any great action started.
Are they all looking at it now?
Yeah, now they're all
Yeah.
Come here?
Yep.
Yeah, it's coming here right now. It's very small.
Very small. Drone? You wanna grab it?
I'm search in speak English in handphone.
Yeah. Really easy.
Yes. Really, sangat mudah. Sangat mudah.
And now it's flying. So now what I did is I took off the GPS and now I'm controlling it. That way we can get inside buildings. So whenever we're doing CQB, if you with GPS you have to go slower because the system needs to understand what's around them. So for example, if enemy in there, I can go look without getting shot at. So let's see what's inside that room.
Enemy.
One enemy right there.
People.
Yeah.
Yes.
And now we're gonna rotate. And let's go.
Yes, marriage. Good.
Good.
Kalau nggak dibuka.
Kalibrasi.
Yep. Yep. Right there. Yes, it's way faster.
Yes.
But they can't see us. They can't, so this is night camera. Night camera. No Wi-Fi. It gives you 5 minutes, but you want it full, so you can take 25 minutes. Yeah.
5 menit ya.
GPS. Now the camera is a GPS. And we're going inside, we can see what's inside. But as you see, it's gonna hit the almost. Yeah. You can change battery, you can change the cameras, change the props, and change the body. So if something breaks, you can replace it. Yeah, now calibrasi. And watch up. There it is. And now I'm going to show you how to take a picture. So let's go up a bit. 2 meters. This is how far it is from us. And the degrees of what is looking. So right now it's at 292 degrees. And we are 116 degrees. And it is 2 meters. So if I launch it from here, but then I